आज म तपाईलाई B.Ed फर्स्ट इयरको यो कम्पलसरी सब्जेक्ट कम्पलसरी इङ्ग्लिशको यहाँनिर एउटा क्वेसन रहेको छ। यसको आज म तपाईलाई चाहिँ सल्युसन सेयर गर्न गइरहेको छु। क्वेसन चाहिँ राइट एन एसे अन इलेक्ट्रोनिक मिडिया हैज रिप्लेस्ड लेटर राइटिङ ट्रेडिसन कम्प्लिटली भनेर चाहिँ यो रहेको छ। यो क्वेसनको चाहिँ आज म तपाईलाई सल्युसन सेयर गर्न गइरहेको छु। Write an essay on electronic media has replaced letter writing tradition completely. In the digital age, electronic media has undergone a revolutionary transformation, reshaping the way individuals communicate and share information. With the advent of email, instant messaging, and social media, the traditional practice of letter writing has experienced a marked decline. This essay explores the impact of electronic media on the near extinction of letter writing as a form of communication, examining the reasons behind this shift and the broader implications for human connection and expression. The rise of electronic media. The rapid advancement of technology, particularly the widespread availability of the internet and the proliferation of smartphones, has facilitated instantaneous communication across the globe. Email, once a novelty, quickly became a ubiquitous means of sending messages, documents, and photographs with unprecedented speed and efficiency. Social media platforms further accelerated this trend, providing users with real-time interaction and the ability to share thoughts, updates, and emotions in a matter of seconds. Convenience and speed. One of the primary reasons for the displacement of letter writing by electronic media lies in the unparalleled convenience and speed offered by digital communication platforms. In an era where time is a precious commodity, the ability to compose and transmit message instantly has rendered the traditional act of writing, mailing, and waiting for a response via postal services impractical and inefficient. Global connectivity. Electronic media has facilitated a level of global connectivity that was unimaginable during the heyday of letter writing. Through social media platforms, individuals can maintain real-time connections with friends, family, and colleagues around the world. The immediacy of electronic communication has made it possible to bridge geographical distances effortlessly, rendering the traditional letters slow and cumbersome journey obsolete. Expressive richness and multimedia integration. While letter writing possesses a certain charm and personal touch, electronic media has elevated the expressive potential of communication. The ability to integrate multimedia elements such as images, videos, and hyperlinks allows individuals to convey their thoughts and experiences more vividly. Emoticons, GIF GIFs, and multimedia attachments have become the modern equivalents of handwritten expressions, enabling a richer and more dynamic form of communication. Loss of tangibility and personal connection. Despite the advantages of electronic media, its dominance has resulted in the loss of tangible physical artifacts that letters represent. Handwritten notes carry a unique personal touch reflecting the writer's individuality and emotions. The act of opening an envelope, unfolding a carefully composed letter, and savoring the written words on paper creates a sensory experience that electronic communication cannot replicate. While electronic media has undeniably transformed the landscape of communication, the demise of letter writing tradition should be viewed as a bittersweet evolution. The convenience, speed, and global connectivity offered by digital platforms has reshaped the way we interact. By they have also led to the loss of cherished and more deliberate form of expression. As society continues to embrace the immediacy of electronic communication, it is essential to recognize and preserve the unique qualities that traditional letter writing brought to human connection, a balance between the efficiency of the present and the sentimental value of the past. यो चाहिँ रहेको थियो राइट एन एसे अन इलेक्ट्रोनिक मिडिया हेज रिप्लेस्ड द लेटर राइटिङ ट्रेडिसन कम्प्लिटली भनेर चाहिँ यो क्वेसनको चाहिँ सल्युसन चाहिँ मैले तपाईँलाई चाहिँ एन्सर चाहिँ यसरी नोट गरेको छु। तपाईँले पनि यसलाई चाहिँ नोट गर्नुहोस्। नोट गरिसकेपछि तपाईँले चाहिँ पढ्नुहोस् र यो इलेक्ट्रोनिक मिडिया हेज रिप्लेस्ड लेटर राइटिङ ट्रेडिसन कम्प्लिटली भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ तपाईँले चाहिँ के कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो चेन्ज रिप्लेस्ड भयो भन्ने कुरा तपाईँले चाहिँ लेख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। यहाँ चाहिँ यो यहाँ पोइन्टर रहेको छ, यो पोइन्टर तपाईँले चाहिँ याद गर्नुहोस् र यो पोइन्टहरू याद गरिसकेपछि यसैलाई तपाईँले चाहिँ एक्सप्लेन गरेर तपाईँले चाहिँ लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ। यो फ्री राइटिङ टाइपको क्वेसन हो, त्यो कारणले गर्दा तपाईँले चाहिँ पढेको बुझेको कुराहरू तपाईँले चाहिँ यो एसे फर्ममा चाहिँ तपाईँले चाहिँ लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ। हुन्छ, आजलाई यति नै। आउने समयमा यस्तै अरू बाँकी रहेको फ्री राइटिङ टाइपको क्वेसन एन्सरहरू पनि म तपाईँलाई चाहिँ सेयर गर्ने नै छु। तबसम्म चाहिँ तपाईँले चाहिँ मेरो भिडियोलाई चाहिँ लाइक गरिदिनु होला, सेयर गरिदिनु होला र मेरो च्यानललाई तपाईँले सब्सक्राइब गर्नुभएको छैन भने सब्सक्राइब पनि गरिदिनु होला।